Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your phone or any other Bluetooth device in 2018 Jaguar F-PACE. So first off, you need to start your vehicle. Then press phone. Now it's gonna ask you if you wanna connect a device. But before you press yes, you wanna turn Bluetooth on your device. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna turn the Bluetooth on, and now I'm gonna press yes. And now I'm gonna select search for Bluetooth devices. And now I'm gonna switch back on my phone that I'm trying to connect, and right there I have Jaguar F-PACE. So I'm gonna select on that, and now it's connecting. Now if you check infotainment screen here, you need to make sure that this passcode matches the passcode on your device, and if it does, you want to select pair on your device and select yes on infotainment screen. And now this device was successfully paired. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.